do you thinking before why we in this world? I wanna tell you something. Our creation, its meaning we will stand in front of Allah and He will ask us about everything, even it's small or big. Allah says that in the Quran. From a sperm Allah created him and disdained for him. And also Allah said that then He ate the way for him, then He resurrect him. Just listen what Allah say. And currently did we create man from an extract of clay. That's my story and your story. That's the story about how Allah created us. Then Allah say, then we placed him a sperm drop in a firm logging, then we made the sperm drop made the cloth, and we make the cloth into a lamb flesh, and we made from the lamb the bones, then into another creation. So pleased in Allah, the best creators, all of that in our life now. Then Allah say, then indeed after that you are died, all will die. Then Allah say, the horn will be blown, and whoever is the heavens, the weather and the earth will fall then, except to whom Allah wills. Then it will be blown again. And at once they will be standing and looking. The horn will be blown again, and suddenly they will be alert upon the earth's surface, and the horn will be blown. And at once from the graves to their Lord they will hasten, and they say, oh, to us, who raised us? Who raised us up from our sleeping place? Then they reply, this is what Allah had promised, and the messengers told the truth. It will not be but one blast, and at once they are all brought present before us, we all standing in front of Allah. Allah say, their eyes humbled, humiliation will cover them, that is the day which they had been promised. And they ask you about the mountains, so say, my Lord will be blown away with a blast, and He will leave the earth a level plain. The day is very hard, the day of judgment. Only have two things, have two ways. You become in the heaven or you become in the hell. Allah say, you will not see their depression or elevation. The day everyone will follow the caller with no division. Therefrom and all voices will be still before the Allah the most merciful. So you will not hear except whisper that they no intercession will benefit. Expect that one whom Allah have given permission and has accepted His word. Allah know what is presently before them and what will be after them. Allah Rabbil Izzah knows that where you become. Allah know already if you will become in the heaven or you become in the hell. Allah knows that. Then Allah say, but they don't encompass it in knowledge. Then all faces will be humbled before the ever live, the sustainer of the existence, and He will have failed who carries injustice, but he who does of righteous deeds will, he is believer. He will neither fear injustice nor deprivation. That our story, and that how it's become